Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and easy recipe. It's chunky potato and cheese soup that I know you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Mexican oregano, garlic cloves, queso fresco, los altos, crispy bacon strips, potatoes, tomatoes, half an onion, 2 poblano chilies, chicken broth. This is everything we need to make this delicious and amazing chunky potato cheese soup. So let's get started. I want to start here with my veggies. Let's go to the sink and let's rinse every single one, especially the chiles poblanos, because they usually have a little bit of dirt right on the top, and the potatoes. So let's go to the working table. Here I want to show you that this is where usually you could find the dirt on the chile poblanos. And from here, let's take it to the stove and let's start by roasting them right on the fire, just like that. It just takes a little bit of time and they get nice and roasted. Look at them. You gotta make sure that they roasted from both sides, from every side of the poblano chili. Once this is completely done, well then you're gonna go ahead and put them in a little baggie and just let them rest for just a couple minutes. And here I want to continue with my potatoes. These are Russell potatoes, and I'm going to start by taking the skin off carefully. Look at this. I'm going to continue with the rest, getting all the little skin off and the little dark spots that some of them have. And here I have a plate with water. I'm going to start cubing my potatoes. Remember, try for your potatoes to be almost the same size so that they all cook at the same time. And here I'm just going to start adding it to the water just like that so they don't get brown. Once you have all your potatoes in here, okay, let's leave them in the water for just a little bit and let's continue with the next step. I have the onion here. I'm going to start slicing it and then pulling it apart so I could have it ready, because I want to go ahead and take it to the stove. The onion really gives the soup a delicious and amazing flavor. Look at this. I'm going to add my garlic cloves. I have a little bit of vegetable oil on the bottom, and I'm adding the onion. We just want to cook them for just a little bit until they start browning. Once they start getting brown and you could smell the smell of the onion and garlic, then it's time to just remove it. Remove everything completely. Once this is done, we're going to go ahead and add it to the blender cup, and I'm going to add my 4 tomatoes. To this, I'm going to add the chicken broth. I'm going to add the chicken bouillon, and I'm going to add the Mexican oregano. And this is ready to make this delicious and amazing sauce. Okay, let's go and blend it for just a little bit. It really doesn't take too long, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in the same pan where we had the onion and the garlic. Let me taste it. To my tasting, this is great. From here, I'm going to start adding the potatoes, and I'm going to cook them in medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. And let me get ready the cheese. Start slicing the cheese just like this. It really doesn't take too long. And I'm going to cube it. Remember, this soup comes out amazing, and try for all your little cubes of cheese to be almost the same size. Look at this. I'm going to continue cubing my queso fresco los altos. I have them ready. I'm going to put them aside, and I'm going to continue with my chile poblanos. They've been resting for about 15 minutes, and now I am ready to take the skin off. Look how easy it is. Look at this. You want to go ahead and remove all the skin, put it in the little baggie until you have cleaned completely the chile poblanos. Look at this. I'm going to continue with the next one, and just by pulling away the skin, and now I removed the seeds already, and now I am ready to start slicing it. Look at this. No seeds at all. You're just going to slice it like this and then through the middle, because you don't want the chile poblanos to be really long in your soup. Just like this is perfect. The chile poblano really gives a delicious flavor to this soup. Look at this. Okay, let me transfer it to a plate and let me show you. I'm going to have everything ready, so when that potatoes are moist and soft, then it's ready to add all these delicious flavors to it. The potatoes have been cooking in medium-low heat, and now it's time to check. You want to make sure that you don't overcook your potato. You want it a little bit, not overcooked, but you still want them a little hard. Just like that. Now it's time to add the poblano chilies and just incorporate it completely. Let it cook in medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. Once they've been cooking for about 5 minutes, then it's time to remove and start plating. Okay, I'm going to turn the stove off and look at this. This looks amazing. My home smells delicious. These poblano chilies really give the soup a delicious and amazing taste. Look at this. I am ready to start adding it to my plate. A little bit at a time, some juice, and of course, cubes of the queso fresco los altos, and a little bit of pepper on the top. Of course, I can't forget the bacon. This looks amazing. I'm ready for the presentation. See you in a bit. Chunky potato and cheese soup. Of course, I garnished with a little bit of bacon on the top and a little bit of dried peppers. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. It's nice and hot, but that's exactly how I like to enjoy my soups, especially because they have the best flavors. Potato and cheese, who can go wrong? Excuse me. You know something? The poblano chili gave it such an amazing flavor. You guys are really going to love it. Excuse me. Just amazing. A perfect and delicious, easy soup made at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious and amazing chunky soup made at home with lots of love. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.